Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm here with my boy, Viper. Yo, Viper, you got anything to say?
Cheese.
He said cheese. As you see, this is old as hell. On top of the aerial plane. Yeah, I called it an aerial plane. Alright, Viper, come on. Viper! Viper! And move over to the right, I can't see your buttocks. See, Viper's up now. Uh-oh, somebody's calling. Up. Alright. Now what you do is when you want to get up to an area and it's not that high up, you tell your partner to come close and you shoot them in the bola sack where the family jewels are. And you go just right up. Wait, he fell. Haha. But don't rip their family jewels apart. Stop trying to rip my family jewels apart. Yo, can I just kill you? No, can I just kill you so you'll spawn up here? Alright, well. That was my little brother. He gets mad when I play Modern Warfare 2. Yo, Viper, what other shotgun jumps should we do?
Wait, that's
Yeah, hell yeah.
I think like an hour maybe.
I would do the Rust one, and I'm not taking any props from that. I learned that from PJ the Bad Man. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and Viper is gonna start recording, right, Viper?
What?
Aren't you gonna start recording, buddy?
Oh, yeah, yes.
Yeah, I was checking out his other YouTube page, and I was like, he actually has videos of him doing crap on there. Oh, I know what we could do. Well, this is the end of this video. We're gonna be making another video shortly, right after this one.
Wait,